Yes.
It introduces when God is speaking to Moses. So this we're going to read. It's one of Numbers, the book meaning.
Yes, I see that. I'm not getting you.
Oh, you're not getting the presentation on your laptop.
Your voice, but it's now coming through well.
Okay, good. All right. I'm sorry. I don't know. I think every now and then my network falters in the apartments that I'm staying at. Generally, it's a pretty strong signal. I'm asking if you'd be kind enough to give the milim, the words in red.
Okay. We have davar. It means to speak. Davar.
Right.
We have amar, which means to say.
Right. So let us try to find the instances of davar and amar. Gideon, would you like to put on your detective hat and point out to us where we have the instance of davar and the instance of amar?
Yes, yes. The var, the first word on the first line,
Nice.
which is written as Vaidaver.
Beautiful.
Then Amar. Can you scroll down your screen so that I can see?
Am I going the right direction, up or down?
No, yeah, that way. No.
So it's
Okay, I mean you take your screen up so that I can see the screen. Yeah.
I can see it in the first line, the first word.
Take up your screen. I have said that one. So I'm saying to the teacher to scroll the screen up so that I can see the words on at the beneath. Okay.
but we don't need to go down here. We're
So
only
I've said
dealing
that wide up. Yes. Yeah. That.
it's only the first two lines that we're dealing with right now. So the instance of Amar.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Oh, Lemor.
There you
Okay.
go. But
Okay.
this is
Yeah.
excellent
Then
work.
Lemor.
Right. And
Yeah.
the lamed is the indicator of what's called in grammar the infinitive, or the gerund. It's like I don't know. I guess I don't need to get into the grammar terms specifically, but lemor means saying. So amar means to say. Lemor means saying. So let's translate this. I think actually, without too much trouble, Gideon, you can probably translate
That
this
I think.
sentence.
Yeah. That one is very simple to translate.
Yeah, give it a shot. Give
So that
it
one
to us.
can be translated.
Yeah,
Okay.
give it to us in Hebrew first, and
And
then.
okay. Vaidaber Yehovah El Moshe Lemor.
Right.
So
And
that one can be
Yahweh spoke to
translated
Moses,
as,
saying,
and God said unto Moses, saying.
Right. That's it. Right. And God spoke to Moses. El Moshe would be to Moses. And God spoke to Moses, saying, "Well done." And this phrase, this introductory phrase, occurs all over the Torah. when God is about to give a command to Moses. So it's a handy phrase to know when you're reading the Bible in Hebrew. Now we have a little more challenge ahead of us. This is the this is verse 2 now. And Joseph, I'm going to ask you again to read the milim, the red words without the nikudot, and give us their translations, and then we'll look for those milim.
We have sholech.
You could use all kamats and make it shalach.
Shalach, which means to send.
Right.
We have Tor.
Well done. Wow. Actually, it's tur. It's a shuruk, but you couldn't have known that.
Tur,
And tur,
which means
right.
to spy.
It means to spy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we have Natan, which means to give.
Right. So shalach won't be too big an issue for you. Let's find shalach.
Shalach, me,
Yeah.
the very first word in the first line, it is shelach.
Right. It's the command form.
It has the shoresh shalach.
Right. And shlach lecha means send on your behalf, send for you. So he's telling Moses, send for you spies, basically, is what this passage is going to be talking about. Shlach lecha, send on your behalf. Shlach, well done. Then we have tur. Now this one's going to be tricky, brother. See if you can spot tur. You might not see all the words. That's my first clue to you.
Yes, it is there in the first line, the last word of the first line.
Well done.
Vayaturu.
Right. Via turu.
Vayaturu.
And they shall spy. The yud, we know the vav means and. We've learned that. The yud is the indication of the future. The future tense. Yaturu means they will spy, or they shall, or let them spy. It could also be translated as let them spy. And what are they going to spy? What are they going to investigate? At Haaret, at Eretz Caanan, the land of Canaan. Shalach lecha anashim. Anashim is people or men. Shalach lecha anashim. Send on your behalf men. V'yaturu et Eretz Canaan. And they shall spy out the land of Canaan. And then our last shorish is Natan. Maria, do you want to try and find Natan in the verse?
What's it look like again?
It's the nun tav nun sofi, Natan.
Okay. Is it on the last line, the first word, last line?
Right, well done. It has a slightly different set of vowels. Do you want to try and pronounce it with the modifications to the vowels in the verse itself?
Notain.
Well done, notain. Asher ani, which or who, or which, asher ani, which I give. Asher ani notain. which I give. So that's referring back to the land of Canaan, which God is going to give to the Jewish people. So, Shalach lecha anashim v'yaturu et eretz Canaan. Send on your behalf men and let them spy out the land of Canaan. Asher ani notain, which I give livnei Yisrael, to the children of Israel. Do you want to give us the whole verse, Gideon? Kindly, could you read it for us in Hebrew?
Yes.
Awesome.
Shelach lecha
I'm sorry.
anashim
Right. Hold on. I'm sorry. Let's bring in somebody.
ve'atur et eretz Canaan
Nice.
asher ani noten levnei Israel.
Very nice. Very nice. Joseph, you want to give it a try, kindly?
Yes. Shlach lecha
Your audio is cutting in and out for some reason. I'm not sure why.
viaturu et eretz Canaan
Good.
asher ani notein lovenei
Livne. Achirik. Livne.
livnei, sorry,
Right.
Yisrael.
And careful with your, again, be mindful. A
Yisrael.
sin is, there you go.
Never
What was
right.
our idea now? A sin is never right.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
It's always on
Livnei
the left.
Yisrael. Yeah. Welcome, Mumtaz. It's a pleasure to have you joining us tonight. Let us continue, though, to enjoy the second part of verse 2. Maria, just a few words. See if you can parse out a few words just to keep you in the game with your Hebrew reading. I won't make you try the whole verse, but maybe just the first few words. Let's see if we can get through.
Yos,
So this would be a chirik, ish.
Yos,
The thing about this font is that the yud is gigantic, but it's a yud. It's aleph, and then the chirik, the dot, and the yud is the e sound. So it's ish.
Ish.
Are you with me? Do you understand where our confusion lies? It's because that yud is so gigantic
Okay.
that you thought maybe it was a cholam or a vav.
Oh, okay.
But it's a yud. It's just a chirik ish.
Okay.
Right. How about the
Ish.
next word? Good.
What's that character in the middle?
Chet. That's our chet.
Echad.
Right. And actually, you get a gift here because you just have to repeat exactly what you just finished reading. It just repeats.
Ish.
Yep.
Echad.
Well done.
Lemava.
Actually, let's just do that last word. So this letter where the blue circle is, do you recall the name of that one in the pronunciation?
Is that a mem or a tet?
A tet,
And
A
the other
tet.
one is a mem.
right?
So limata.
So you had it right the first time. It's li, ma, and then what's this vowel?
A.
Right. Li.
Limate.
There you go. Very nice. Do you want to try it once more for some fluency? Ish echad limate.
Ish limad.
Wait, slow down. We're going to go to the beginning.
Ish.
Read as well. Ish.
Ish. Le, what is it again?
Echad.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
I forgot it.
Echad.
Ehad. Ish ehad. Ish ehad. Le mate.
Nice work. Beautiful. Joseph, would you give us this full verse now kindly, and then we'll greet Mumtaz and do some drill.
Yes. Ish Ehad. Ish Ehad. Limatei. Avota.
Avotav. Very nice.
Tish. Lahu.
Beautiful.
Kol. Nasi. Vahem.
Well done. And Maria, kindly give us the English if you would.
Of every tribe of their fathers shall ye send a man, every one a prince among them.
Well done. Very nice, guys. Beautiful work. Let us greet everyone, see who all is joining. I think Mumtaz and Avraham are with us. Nice to have you. By the way, the name